The Hyper Scrambler 2 by Juiced Bikes redefines what an e-bike can achieve, combining cutting-edge performance, extended range, and unparalleled safety features. At its core, the Hyper Scrambler 2 boasts dual battery capacity with two G2 52 volts 15.6 Ah batteries, SGS certified to UL 2271 standards. This gives the bike a massive total watt-hour capacity exceeding 1,600 watt-hour, ensuring you can conquer up to 100 miles on a single charge without ever worrying about range anxiety. Powered by a 1,000-watt Retroblade motor custom designed for optimal performance, the Hyper Scrambler 2 delivers extreme speed and power, with a top speed of over 30+ mph. Whether you're commuting through the city or tackling long weekend adventures, this e-bike is built to keep up. The upgraded electric components include an advanced LCD display with multiple riding modes, giving you full control over your ride and allowing for maximum customization. Safety is a priority on the Hyper Scrambler 2, featuring dual side view mirrors, an integrated brake light, and turn signals, making it easy to navigate traffic with confidence. Its hydraulic disc brakes provide superior stopping power, ensuring you stay in control even at high speeds. Designed with fat tires and a rugged frame, the bike offers stability and comfort on various terrains. Forget everything you thought you knew about e-bike performance. The Hyper Scrambler 2 is a game changer, delivering expanded range, unmatched power, and premium features that set it apart in the e-bike world. The Happyun G100 e-bike is a powerhouse that combines high-speed thrills, long-range capability, and affordability in a sleek, aerodynamic design. With its 2,000-watt motor, rated at 1,000 watts, and 38-hour dual battery setup, this e-bike is engineered for endurance, offering an impressive 85+ miles range on a single charge. Whether you're commuting, exploring off-road trails, or simply cruising around town, the G100 is built to deliver exceptional performance and reliability. Equipped with 20 by 4-inch wide tires and a robust full suspension system, the Happyun G100 easily conquers all terrains, from urban streets to rugged trails. Its excellent shock absorption ensures a smooth and comfortable ride, no matter the surface. The e-bike's NFC unlock feature adds a modern touch, enhancing security and convenience by allowing you to unlock your bike with a simple tap. With adjustable speed classes, you can tailor the G100 to suit your needs. Class 1/2 for a steady 13 miles per hour, Class 3 Course for up to 25 miles per hour, and an exhilarating Class 5 off-road mode, reaching speeds of 28+ miles per hour. Designed with an aerodynamic fluid frame, the Happyun G100 not only performs exceptionally, but also turns heads wherever you go. All this comes at an incredibly affordable price, making it the perfect choice for thrill seekers on a budget. The Keylife City1 commuter electric bike is a versatile and reliable e-bike designed for urban commuters and recreational riders alike. Featuring a waterproof, lightweight design and a step-through frame, it offers exceptional convenience and accessibility, making it ideal for riders of all ages and skill levels. Plus, with a 1-year warranty, it provides peace of mind for your investment. The built-in removable battery is UL 2849 certified, offering advanced safety features such as protection against overtemperature, overvoltage, and overcharging. With a range of 40 miles on a single charge, its innovative design extends battery life by 20% longer than traditional batteries. Riders can monitor performance and metrics via the LCD display, which keeps essential information at your fingertips. Comfort and stability are ensured with the front fork suspension, which smooths out rough terrain, and 26-inch by 2.1-inch wider tires, which provide superior grip and balance on slippery surfaces like mud or sand. With its thoughtful features and adaptable design, the Keylife City1 is the perfect step-through e-bike for modern city life, blending practicality, safety, and style. The Ribble Cycles Hybrid AL e-Step-Through is a versatile, stylish, and sporty e-bike designed to elevate your daily rides with ease and comfort. Its step-through frame offers effortless mounting and dismounting, making it perfect for riders of all ages and fitness levels. The upright riding position ensures comfort, while its stable handling inspires confidence on varied terrains. Whether commuting, running errands, or enjoying leisurely rides, this e-bike is a dependable companion for everyday life. Equipped with 3 smooth levels of electric power assistance, the hybrid ALE amplifies your pedaling efforts, making uphill climbs and long rides a breeze. The bike's SRAM NX1 drivetrain ensures simplicity and durability. Attention to detail is evident in its thoughtfully designed components, including an alloy seat post, closed-end lock-on urban gel grips, and a lightweight frame protection kit for durability. Additional features like a bell, bottle cage bolts, and a power button CNC top tube cover cap add convenience and polish. With premium 160mm centerline rotors for reliable braking and a robust frame built for durability, the Ribble Hybrid ALE strikes the perfect balance between performance, style, and everyday practicality. Are you ready to explore the outdoors like never before? Meet the Vifa L1, a fat tire electric bike built to take you further, faster, and smoother than ever imagined. This powerhouse of an e-bike combines style, functionality, and performance to redefine your riding experience, whether you're hitting off-road trails or cruising through the city streets. At the heart of the Vifa L1 is its robust 1,000-watt peak motor. This motor delivers unparalleled power and speed, effortlessly tackling steep hills and rough terrain. And with a top speed of 28 mph, you're guaranteed a thrilling ride. The 48-volt 13AH battery offers a remarkable range of up to 80+ miles, so you can say goodbye to range anxiety and hello to endless adventures. The Vifa L1 isn't just about raw power. Its professional Shimano 7-speed gearing system provides the precision and sensitivity you need to conquer any terrain. When it comes to safety, the Vifa L1 has you covered. Its dual-disc brake system ensures smooth and reliable stopping power, even at high speeds. Rough terrain? No problem. The Vifa L1 features a lockable suspension fork that effectively absorbs shocks and vibrations. The 4-inch wide all-terrain tires provide incredible stability and grip, whether you're riding through sand, snow, mud, or pavement. They're designed to take on any adventure you throw at them. From advanced motors to cutting-edge suspension systems, these 5 electric bikes are paving the way for the future of trail riding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trailblazing content.